I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac. In this video, we're going to talk about our contour mower. The primary application for this contour mower is on golf courses mowing trim and surround areas. The Contour Deck is also suitable for resorts or other high-end properties that might have challenging terrain but also require professional results. With this Contour Deck and the 4500 tractor with dual wheels, you're able to mow up to 30 degrees in any direction, which makes it easy to take care of these areas of the course without destroying the turf and keeping operators safe at the same time. This contour mower includes 3 separate decks that are linked together but work independently to ensure the best possible quality of cut and prevent scalping. The contour mower is a rear discharge and has a total cut width of 83 inches. There are a total of 6 15-inch blades, 2 on each deck, which are counter-rotating to provide the best discharge possible. While this is our mower deck with the widest cut width, it's not necessarily suited for rough applications or larger acreage, where a tough cut or maybe a finish mower would be a better solution. This deck is built for precision mowing, which means golf courses or other high-end properties only. The contour mower attaches to the tractor with the front hitch arms, the belt-driven PTO, and the 2 standard hydraulics. The Contour Deck has a cut height range between 3/4 of an inch and 3.5 inches in 1/4 inch increments. To change the cut height setting, refer to this graphic and select your cut height. It'll show you where you need to locate the front caster wheels, the anti-scalp wheels, and the rear roller brackets on each individual deck. Both the left and right side caster wheels can be located in an outer or an inner position to change the characteristics of the deck. If it's located in the outermost position, it provides the most stability and consistent quality of cut. And on the inner position, it provides the best overhang if you're doing bunkers or something else. That can be changed loosening these 2 bolts in the front and the 1 bolt in the back, moving this whole thing over, and then retightening those 3 bolts. Flipping the Contour Deck up is an easy process that takes less than a minute. The first step is to use the SDLA lever to raise the attachment all the way and to raise the left and right side decks to their highest position. You can grab the front of the deck and then pull the release lever in the back and flip the entire thing up. The contour mower also has a mulch kit available for it. It would be bolted here and here on each individual deck. To lower the deck, simply put pressure on the front and pull the release mechanism. Then once it's down, make sure you return the belt tension spring to its upper setting. With the deck in this position, it's a good opportunity to show the movement of the side pods both up and down and front to back for a 40-degree total range of motion on each side. The rear SDLA lever controls this link, which either allows the right and left decks to float all the way down or up, or if it draws inward, it pulls the decks up for transport position. It's important that when you're operating, you have this gap here so that both of the decks can fall away from the center deck and actually contour down. This can be accomplished with an optional spool valve kit to allow you to place the secondary SDLA lever in float, or you can set this position manually. It's recommended to have a weight transfer setting of 3 or 4 depending on your conditions. But having it in 4 can sometimes cause the center deck to rise up over contours too much, so pay attention, and if you're missing grass, lower the weight transfer setting to 2 or 3. The Contour Deck is an essential attachment for professional grounds managers who want the best results possible. Thanks for watching this video on the contour mower. For more information on this attachment and others, visit our website at ventrac.com or contact a local dealer for a demo.